Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem your game codes on the Mobile Legends game. So let's get started right away. Now, first of all, open up the Mobile Legends game on your device. And once you open it up, you will be taken into the homepage after you complete the basic tutorial level if you're playing for the first time. Now, once you end up within the main menu, in order to enter redeem codes, tap on your account icon at the top left corner and then tap on the settings button at the top right corner. From here, you can tap on a redemption code and you will be allowed to enter any redeem code that you have. Just type in the redeem code within the given box and then tap on the OK button. And now this redeem code will be applied into your game and the associated reward will be given to you right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to use redeem codes on your Mobile Legends game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.